Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Right, I know it's been a long time since I last filmed a video, but I've had this really stubborn cold to get rid of. I'm just getting over the last little bit of it now. So today I thought I'd do a little vlog and finish off painting the last piece of furniture. If you can remember, I've been painting all my wooden furniture grey to match in my lounge, and this is the last piece, and I've just been putting it off. It was Christmas, then I come down with this cold and I thought, oh, do you know what, it's got to be done. So today I'm going to crack on with it. So I thought I'd bring you along with me, do a nice little relaxed vlog, just ease myself back into filming videos. So if you enjoy home projects and little DIY updates, I hope this is the video for you. Let's get started. Right, I've sanded it all, I've took the drawer out, and I've got some normal white emulsion here. I'm going to give it a couple of coats of white emulsion, let it dry, and then we'll put the colour on. I'm sorry about the black bin bags as well. I've got no paint sheets, if you got them paint sheet things. Right, I've done the first coat on top. It went on a bit funny. It's a bit like, it's not gone on smooth. It's a bit funny in some places, but I'll let it dry properly and we'll see. I'm just going to trust the process like I did last time, and I'm just starting on the side now. But what I've done is, because you see all these little creases you've got to get in, my roller doesn't quite get in there, so I've just got a little brush and I'm just going in between the things. I think it's just all the grease and the grime, even though I washed it and sanded most of it down. I just think it's the oils and stuff. I mean, I've had them years as well, so. But I'm going to trust the process. I'm not going to judge it because we've only just started. So I'm going to carry on. That's the first coat put on all sides. That's the top. It's gone on a bit better now it's dried. I don't know if you'll be able to see it because it's getting dark now. It's just went a bit funny there, but I'll sort that out tomorrow when it's dried properly. And I've done the sides. I just haven't done the drawer underneath. I'm going to do that last. And then I've done around the back and the other side, which I can't show you because it's too squishy, that end. And then I've done this side. So I'm going to let it all dry overnight, and I will come back and put another coat of white paint on tomorrow. Day 2 of my upcycling projects, my lounge table. I put a coat of normal white paint on it first, and it's come out pretty well. There's a few patches that aren't quite that good, but I'm going to put the colour on today. I was going to do another white coat, but I think that's enough for today. So I'm going to be using the colour Meriden that I painted all my other lounge furniture in. It's this one. So I'm going to put a coat of that on today. Right, I've put the first coat on. It's gone on quite well. I'm glad I used the white as an undercoat as well. Some bits are a bit patchy, but it's only the first coat. I forgot to do the drawer, didn't I? So I've just put some white paint on the drawer while I'm waiting for this to dry. I'll just show you one of the sides because I can't get round all of it. I'll show you it properly when it's all finished. And then that's the side. I've done the back and the other side. I'm going to leave it to dry for a bit, and then we'll come and put our second coat on. I just want to show you my finished table. Well, it's nearly finished. I ended up putting 2 coats on it all together, and it's come out really well. I'm really pleased with it. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to do what I did with all the other pieces that I did for my lounge. I'm going to be using some Aldi interior wood varnish satin gloss. I got this a couple of months ago. It's like a creamy colour inside, but it goes on clear. So I'm going to put some of that on to protect it. I sanded and washed all this down before we started anyway. But as you can see, it's going on clear. Right, that's my table all done, all finished. I'm really pleased with how it's turned out. Do you know what? I'm pleased with how the 3 pieces of furniture that I've upcycled have turned out. They look really nice and I love the colour. Would I recommend upcycling your furniture? Yes, I would. It saves you a lot of money. And would I recommend B&Q furniture paint at £8 a tub? Yes, I would. I used 2 full tubs on 3 pieces of furniture, so that was a bargain. Right, I'm going to show you the 3 pieces I've done now. But thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you all later. Bye.